A quality game takes hours of work, days, months even. And it takes hundreds of people to do the effects, animations, graphics, everything of that. A game jam is a challenge which challenges you to make a game in a limited amount of time, like a week or 2 days. So I've never participated in any game jams before. I'm very new to game development, but today I decided to participate in the Brackeys Community Game Jam 2020.2, which the challenge is to make a game in 1 week. And I was quite excited to see the theme, so I'm going to tell you about it in this video. So I actually thought the game would be announced early in the morning, but it was actually announced at 11 o'clock. So yeah, I went onto the page to see what it was, and the theme was Rewind. I could work with that, but it was really hard to find the game going, but I got there eventually. So I have an idea of a game where it's based. I always had an idea of a 3D FPS game, and with the help of a few people in my Discord server, or mainly his channel is in the description, go sub to him, and I figured out an idea about a game where you get information about the next levels and where the checkpoints are and stuff, and whenever you die, the time rewinds, but you go back at the beginning, but you keep the information. This is the Unity game engine, the engine that I will be using to make the game. So the first step was to make a first-person player. Now this was easy. I've done it a lot of times before. So in like 5 minutes, I made a FPS controller right here. Alright, so having done the controller, we now have to make the pew pew, because guns are cool. Oh, that's what America says. So let's make the gun. Shooting in Unity requires a lot of raycasts and physics and stuff. And let's just say I really don't know how to do that, so I had to watch a Brackeys tutorial on how raycasts work and stuff. But finally I made a gun script and an enemy that you can shoot at. Okay, so now you know what's missing. It's some scenery that you can walk around in, because walking around is cool, I guess. I don't really know, because I don't walk around much, but okay. So I downloaded some city assets off the asset store, and found this is some city models here. Okay, so I do know that I did not do much in day 1, but in day 2 I basically added a new skybox, fixed a bit of the alignment of the buildings, and added a teleporter that teleports the player from one place to another treetop, and then added another one which triggers a UI element. Alright, time to add an actual reverse thing. So I made a clock animation, reverse clock, in After Effects, and I transferred it into Adobe Premiere Pro, then reversed it by going to speed iteration, then reverse, and now the clock is reversed. I need to speed it up a bit, and we've put some sound effects on it, and we've got a finished clock. So now for the difficult part, enemies. So I'd used NavMesh, which is basically Unity's artificial intelligence mechanism function thing, and I plotted out the ground to be the area that they can walk in, and then I added some capsules with sunglasses that I decided to be the enemies. And I tried to add projectiles coming out of them, but what is this? This doesn't look right. It's just so the way I did it is that I just didn't add any projectiles, and I just made that if you bump into them, then you're dead. So yeah. Oh, and did I mention that I also gave them super speed? So at this point, this was basically all the game was so far. But this is the WebGL version, and in the WebGL version, the clock does not load for some reason. So yeah. Alright, so the main menu. I positioned the camera inside one of these main scenes and positioned it in a good position that would showcase the city, because this would be a good important aspect, and it would be good to showcase it right on the menu screen. And I worked with the dimensions of the platform to make it look more large and stuff. So now I deleted everything else so that I wouldn't get in the way and you wouldn't see the teleport and stuff. And now I added some UI, like a button, and I can click the button. Wow, I know, genius. And I put the play button. This will be the play button. So I made it square. That's all I did. So now I put the button to the side because that's how it looks better. And then I put it to scale with screen size because that looks much better and works on all different devices like WebGL, mobile and stuff. I think I'll port it to mobile soon, but probably not anytime in the future. And I'm working on a mobile game now, actually. Scale the play button to size, and that's a play button. Wow, I know, a play button. So cool. So then I added like an quit, and now we have about, quit, and play. Now I added an about menu where you information about the game. I made it transparent, and it's transparent, yeah. So then I added some text in the about section, and now here we go, the finished main menu with the quit button that works and quits the app. The play button works and plays the game. It's all self-explanatory, practically. And I also did 2 live streams, like 2 days before the jam ended. And I want to show a short clip from the first live stream right here, where I'm building the second level. And the second, because I finished the first level before, so at the moment I'm building the second level. Let's play the clip. How it looks in the game. Oh, that looks quite. I think that looks quite nice. And you can climb that tower for. Why can this guy go through buildings? Yeah, it looks quite good in the actual game though. So. And I think you'll have to climb one of those. And now let's make a canvas. Okay, first let's search. Oops. No, it doesn't. I can just send you the exe file. Let's move this into here. And location logo, I can just use the other one again. So, okay. Also, did you add like a main menu? Yeah, I can show you it. It's, let me go to the menu. Save. This is the main menu. It's quite basic, but I didn't have much time. This is a 1-week challenge. You can add like simple settings and stuff like that. Yeah, this is the main menu. It's yeah, I did the quit button doesn't work because I'm in the Unity editor, and it only works when I'm in the actual exe application. And when I click play, you're here. Okay, yep, there. Anything if you fall out the void so far. So I really need to fix. Have something that happens when you fall out the void. So I'm gonna add in a trigger below everything in the ground, and I'm gonna make that teleport you to the void. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Maybe if you get hurt, you can add the blood effects, maybe as if the enemies actually get hurt. Yeah, I might do that. Okay, but I'm gonna add a border below the ground first. Okay, big square. Full damage. That's a good idea. I would have to add like health and stuff, but that's a good idea. Okay, make that big. Actually, X 1000, Z 1000. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah, like that. And location 0 0. Yeah, that looks good. Or maybe a bit, yeah, that looks good. It won't be this color, I'll make it invisible, but this looks good. Okay, yep, that's that logo. So that was a short clip of the live stream. There was another live stream too where I focused on the third level. But thank you for all who watched the live stream. I really enjoyed chatting with you present some good ideas and stuff. But now the only thing left was to export the game, and put it on the actual game jam. Now this is gonna be a bit hard, so I'm gonna explain it now. Alright, so on the morning of the end of the game jam, I went to export my files on my Mac because my actual Windows PC was not working for some reason on WebGL, and it was really stressful because I uploaded some files in the Windows and Mac version. Then I realized that it did not work because it had to be WebGL, and then I frantically downloaded with a WebGL module, which wasn't working that well, and then I downloaded it, it wasn't working, it just had this spinning wheel of death. And finally, after it was literally 5 minutes before the jam ended, I actually did, the WebGL actually loaded, and I submitted it to the jam real quick. Then it finished being submitted literally 1 minute before the jam ended. I have proof that was 1 minute. And yes, the jam page is in the description below if you want to play the game. Then you can do that if you want, I guess. So yeah. So yeah, this is the did I say top.gg? So this is the itch.io page. This is the link. And it's basically I have the devlogs, the live stream here, some images of the game. This is the third level, by the way. I did it in a second live stream. And then I have the community tab right here, and some more information, the description, and WebGL game version. So you click run game, then it's waiting for the actual WebGL thing. Then it's loading. Yep. And then here, of course, I had some music too. This is all the music. And let's click full screen. The about section, like I showed in there, and play. You're here. You shoot the player with the pew pew. Find the teleporter, avoid the enemies though. There's this giant text. And then this is the other enemy coming. And yeah, there's some stuff that I did not tell. For example, I added Unity's particle system for these ones. They don't have Unity's particle system, it's my first time using it. And now he's below the city, a hint there. And there's this big guy that spawns. And now if you go below the city, then you go, here, great, now go through the street to finish the level. Now there's a clock, but it didn't load in the WebGL version, so I guess just wait until the normal, this desktop version to find out. And he was supposed to find you there, and you just teleport back to spawn when you see him this time, instead of just, okay, there we go. So now, there's the teleporter over there. You go inside the teleporter. This is the second level I worked on during this first live stream. And there you go to there, it says behind the tower. Then you go behind the tower. Yes. So I put it behind one of these towers, I forget which one it was. But, oh yeah, it was this one again. And you go through here. And, yeah, I got through. This is the third level, it's an industrial estate thing. Why did the music stop? I don't know. There's still some bugs I'll fix later, and why do you get teleported randomly there? I don't know. This is confusing. Got to here, black jump pads, and this guy appears, made of the same material as a tree, apparently. I don't know, I was too lazy. And the black jump pads are over there. I called them jump pad because I couldn't find a name. Black squares, I guess I could name them. like that, and game finished. The music is Ben Sound from Ben Sound, and just basically bits. Yeah, that's the game. The ratings of the game, I have 10 ratings, and there's all of these ones. It's generally good replies, but so I guess it's good a bit. But I've got that the with the better art, it could be better. But I agree with that because I'm not a good 3D artist. I'm better with 2D art and stuff. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. The link of the game jam of the game will be in the description. Make sure to rate the game if you post the game too, I guess. And I would love to get this chat active, so if you can post a new topic or something, then that would be nice. And yep, that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos similar to this, I made a video called making a website in 2 days. If you want to check that out, similar to this one, then check that out. But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this type of content, and I'll see you in another video. Yeah, bye.